Hi everyone, Sarah here. I have some more products to share with you. These are some more items that were sent to me from NewCraftDay or Craft New Day. NewCraftDay? I can't remember. They were sent to me for review. They asked me to review the frame stickers. So this is, don't know if that really says anything. I forgot to check. I don't think it said the length, but I want to say it's probably a meter. So this is the gold, and it looks a lot bigger, like thicker than I thought it was from the pictures, and it's just like foam. It really just looks like super foamy sticker bats. See here, see if I can peel this. Yeah, sticky. You can tell it's like foam on the back there. So I don't know how this is gonna look on a painting, but we will see. I did write down the price is $3.21. I want to say that it is probably a meter. It's folded back and forth here a couple times, but all one continuous piece. And it does come in multiple colors, so check it out if you are interested. I didn't bring my measuring tape downstairs with me. I'm filming in the kitchen today. But I want to say it's like 1.5 inches maybe wide. It is pretty wide, like to go on the edge of a diamond painting there. That's usually about 5 centimeters. So there, you can see. All right, so that is that. I will end up picking out a painting to stick that to so we can see what it looks like finished off. But for now, that is the product. What else did I get here? Let's open up this little one. I wasn't very smart. I didn't even bring scissors with me. This one is a bookmark. I haven't gotten a bookmark in a while, and I thought this would be cute. This one was $4.62 Canadian. It is a nice pleather. This one is all one piece. I've had some that come in a couple of pieces. You can see the sticky goes across the entire image. Super glossy. But it's just some sunflowers. And this one has a really, really nice tassel. I can open it up here. There we go. So it has a really pretty flower on it, a couple of beads, and then the embroidery floss tassel to put onto your finished bookmark. So pretty. Then we'll take a look at the drills here. Of course, this one is special shapes. We have some very light gold marquees. There's the red iridescent marquees. Then we have some yellow teardrops, some blue circles, green, yellow, orange, and then we have a solid white to outline. Looks like it's going to outline all of the flowers. So that is going to be really, really pretty, and that will be a nice quick project to finish up. Super cute. Again, $4.62 for that one. Oops. Put that off to the side. And then the last one is a diamond painting. This one is a 40 by 60 round drill. It's kind of similar to some other ones that I have been picking. Here is the toolkit. It's just your boat, your wax, and your pen. Our drills are all pre-bagged, which is really great. You can tell it's all neutral colors. Got lots of browns, beiges, all dark colors here. And this one, hopefully it'll get in the entire picture here. So we have half of the girl's face with her hand, and there's some flowers in her hair. And then the sign says, "She is life itself, wild and free, wonderfully chaotic, a perfectly put together mess." That looks really nice. See, the drill field is really, really clear. The words are going to be super awesome. I can tell just by being able to, it's super, super sticky. Just by being able to read them without the drills on them, you can tell that it's going to be pretty nice. So, flatten out this side. A little air bubble in there. All right, and we have the legend on both sides. 24 colors, all letters, DMC codes. Really, really great. And you can see again, super clear canvas. I think that the image is going to turn out really, really nice. Awesome. This one, price for 40 by 60 is $14.41 Canadian. All right, so that is it. We have a really nice diamond painting, a super cute bookmark here, and then our frame trim for paintings. All right, so I will have all the links down below. Thank you to NewCraftDay for sending me these products to review. Let me know if you like any of these. Leave a comment, subscribe, and have a great day. Thanks, bye.